Hello friends, today we will learn how to increase Telegram download speed. So it's very easy. If you don't know, watch this video completely. So first open Telegram on your phone. Click on the 3 lines above and click on data and storage below. Click on storage usage and clear it completely. Click on data user. Click on mobile. Scroll down. Click on auto download settings. Turn it on. Set it to high. Go back. Click on Wi-Fi and then click on auto download settings again. And click on auto download. Click on roaming and download settings. Turn it on and set it to high as well. Go back and check if everything is turned on. After this is done, you do it in. You will see your download speed has become faster than before. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.